play Guess the Animal. Go ahead and tap on a question mark. Which rodent hides food in his cheek? Hamster. Excellent. Hamster. Hamsters are small, furry, and cuddly. They have larger cheek pouches where they hide food. Hamsters need to play outside of the cage at least once a day to get enough exercise. However, they can hide under furniture or in other hard-to-see places. So keep an eye on them so they will remain safe as they explore. Who is called a pig, but is not a pig? Guinea pig. Yes. Guinea pig. Everyone knows guinea pigs are not really pigs, but not everyone knows that they are not even from Guinea. Some believe that they were named that way because they were sold for a guinea in England. Kitten. Keep it up. Kitten. A kitten is a baby cat. Usually, cats have 3 or 4 kittens. The mommy cat feeds them with milk, and the kittens play with each other. Puppy. Great job. Puppy. A puppy is a baby dog. Usually, one dog has 3 or 4 puppies. Puppies drink milk and play with each other. They never seem to get upset, even when they fall down. Their tails wag very quickly. A happy puppy is ready to play with anything and will chew on everything. Who carries its own house? Turtle. Good thinking. Turtle. Turtles have horny, toothless jaws and a bony or leathery shell where it hides its head, limbs, and tail. Turtles like to eat plants, jellyfish, shrimp, and clams. Turtles usually lay their eggs in sand on the seashore. Who can talk like humans? Parrot. That's the way. Parrot. Parrots are very colorful. They can be very amusing. You can train them to say things and sound like people. Hello. Hello. Who lives in an aquarium? Goldfish. Perfect. Goldfish. Goldfish live in fresh water, usually in Eastern Asia. They have brassy or reddish coloring and are often found in aquariums. The average goldfish can live for 10 to 20 years. But if you take good care of it, it can live as much as 30 years. The oldest goldfish that ever lived Canary. Exceptional. Canary. A canary is a small bird, usually living in the Canary Islands. Sometimes canaries are kept as pets and live in cages. They can sing very beautifully. Who can change skin colors? Chameleon. Nice. Chameleon. A chameleon is a lizard that changes colors when it gets nervous or when it wants to talk to other chameleons. They are usually green with yellow stripes and black spots. They eat insects and birds using their very fast tongues. Who makes a hissing sound? Snake. Way to go! Snake. Snakes belong to the animal group called reptiles. That means they are related to crocodiles, lizards, and turtles. Snakes eat termites, rodents, birds, frogs, small deer,